How to delete the suggestion in your messenger. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete these suggestions in your messenger application. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your messenger. So now once you are in here, in the top left corner there is the three horizontal lines. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to click on this gear icon and go in the settings. So now once you are in the settings of your messenger, here is the option of the privacy and the safety. You just have to click on it, and here in the top there is the option of the hidden contacts. You have to tap on it and make sure that the hidden contact is add in your messenger. And if you want to add or hide any of the people, you just have to select them and you are able to hide them. So now how you can also off the suggestion. What you have to do is simply go back and you have to open up your Facebook. So now once you're in, you have to go in the menu, and from here you have to go in the settings and the privacy. So now once you're in the settings and the privacy, here you have to go in the settings, and from here you just have to go in the search, and here in the search you just have to search for the contact. Now here is the option of the upload the contacts. You just have to tap on it, and from here you have to select your messenger app and you have to select your messenger account. And as you can see that here in the top there is the option of the upload contacts. You have to make sure that it is off, and if it is not off you just have to toggle off it, and you are able to hide your all of your suggestion in your messenger. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.